Today we will study about the next topic of periodic classification. Okay. In last class we was study about the dominant rights, and now we will study about the Newland's octave law. So what is Newland octave laws? So according to Newland octave laws, I will write there. According to this law, when elements are arranged with increasing atomic masses, the properties of eighth element repeat the properties like first element. Okay, just like a music, the sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. So first sa and eighth sa. So these are the both are the same. Okay, so this is a Newland octave law. Okay, and we can understand with the example. Okay, I will explain you with example. Just like we take example, we arranging elements with their atomic masses. Okay, so I am taking from lithium, then beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, and sodium. Okay, so you count from there because this is the first elements. Okay, then this 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and this is the eighth element. Okay, so first and eighth element have same properties, and what is the same in the in this both of the elements I will told you. Okay, so first that lithium and sodium belonging from the same group. Okay, second, both are belonging from the same block. Okay, p block elements, s block elements. Then third, they have same valency. Okay, then they have same properties like metal. They both have tendency to donate their electrons. They both have tendency to make the positive ion. So they have a lot of similarities. Okay, so this is a Newland octet laws. Okay, the first and then the eighth element have a same properties. Okay, the next topic. The next topic is, what is the importance of Newland octet law? Importance of Newland octet laws. So first importance of the Newland octet law is this law classify the properties of low atomic masses element. Okay. Second, this law give the much concept for the chemistry. Okay, so this is the importance of Newland's octet laws. And what is the drawback? What is the drawback of this law? So, drawback of this law is, first, this law cannot be classify the properties of heavy atomic masses elements. Okay, this law cannot be classified the properties of heavy masses elements. Okay, more than calcium, they are not defined about there. Okay, and the second drawback of the Newland octet laws is this law is not applicable. Okay, this law is not applicable for all the elements which are the first and eighth elements. They are not for all the all the elements like cesium, and we are taking the group of halogens, so they are not applicable for them. So this is the drawback of Newland's octet law. So this is the complete concept of Newland